Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Huawei Mate 10 Pro with a broken display, as you can see there. So let's replace it. So as you go around the device, it seems to me that the only damage is on the front display. So we're going to remove the back cover to start off the operation. We're going to have some trouble on this corner here, but we're going to take our time, because we don't want to incur more damage to this poor device. And there's a trap here. If you pull this prematurely, you're gonna ruin the fingerprint scanner. You're just gonna remove this clip. It's held on by a screw, which is very, very secure, but one wrong move and you're gonna ruin the device. No more fingerprint scanner if you snap that flex cable off. We remove this cover for the main board. I'm gonna detach the connectors. We have the display connector. We're gonna test it while this smartphone is still connected to battery, and it's using Harmony OS. Harmony OS is based off of Android. It's not really Android, so if you're from China, you're used to having Google services blocked, and this is just a way for Huawei to cope up with some sanctions imposed on them. They can't access the Google Play Store, so if you have a Huawei smartphone and you're using Harmony OS, it's going to be tricky to install the apps that you're used to with Android. Gonna lift off this battery to gain access to the connector for the display. There's no pull tab here, so we're gonna force our way in. The battery is slightly deformed, but we're gonna massage it till it's flat. I'm gonna slice through. I'm gonna slice around the display now. Since the connector is already free, we're gonna pull it through the housing. Still need to remove this part around the daughter board. So as you can see here, it's not really the easy repair that we are expecting. So Huawei has their own design. You need to be very careful as you remove some stuff, because it can get confusing rather quickly. I'm going to remove this one, and well, I think there's two connectors for the display, one at the main one and one at the bottom. So we're going to remove some miscellaneous stuff from the old display, and the housing itself is almost bare. I'm gonna test the replacement display if it's gonna fit right in, and it does. I'm gonna put back the rubber stuff that we have removed from the old display and put our own liquid adhesive. Just a sufficient amount. I'm gonna go around it where the display make contact with the housing, around the speaker grill. You have to be very careful to put these two connectors through two separate channels through the housing, and we're gonna align it and press it in. Pretty nice. we're going to focus our attention now to our reassembly on the back side of the device. We're going to install the battery. We're going to put back all the things that we have removed around the daughter board area. And just reverse the entire process. Put back all the screws as diligently as we can manage. There's at least 6 on the daughter board. We're gonna cover up the main board. And that's it. We're almost done. So if you have a Huawei Mate 10 Pro, that means a new display, new battery, new charging port, don't hesitate to message David here. He's gonna source the parts that you need to fix your smartphone, and if you can't find someone who can fix it in your area, maybe David can help you out. We also do mail-in repair service, so if you want, if you can't go to Sydney and visit us personally, at least your smartphone can go to us through mail. We're gonna fix it here in the shop and then send it back to you once we're done fixing them. Just gonna perform some cleanup, wait for the Huawei Mate 10 Pro to wake up, and we're gonna give it back to our clients. Perform some final testing. This is the before and after. Thanks for joining, guys. We'll see you again next time. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks. This and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're with my time?